Hello, good people, and welcome back to Just Cuisine Kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. It's somewhere down here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. In today's recipe, we are making pork, and we are going to start by first marinating the pork. So today's recipe will be prepared by, you say your name?
Daniela.
Yeah, so Daniela will be marinating, but for the ingredients that she's going to use, I'll just mix for her. So we have danajera, or is it danajira? Okay, we're going to use cumin. We're going to use ginger. We are going to use garlic. This is not garlic. We're going to use coriander. Everything is in powder form. We're also going to use garlic powder now. That is now the garlic powder. And as you always know, I love it in plenty. Then we're going to use rosemary. And finally, we're going to use oregano. Or oregano if you like. So mix them. Until they're very well mixed. Okay. Do you feel they are well mixed? Okay, spread it on the... I spread it. Not all of it, a portion. So that we have enough for the other side. Okay? Okay, now use your hands to spread it. Turn it the other side. And you put on that side too. Now you can pour all of it on this side because we are done with the other side. Now use your hands to spread. Can't feel your hands?
Yes.
It's that cold. So we are now done marinating. You can pick this and just spread on it. We are now done marinating, and we're going to cover it up for like maybe an hour or two before we start cooking it. Actually, for today, because we are not going to take so long, I'm just going to cover it on the chopping board. You can actually convert it. So that at least it's easier to cover. And then we start on this side. I think the nini is smaller, the cream is smaller, so we can use in bits. That is why I chose the option of using this, because I can convert it into a bowl. Yeah, so we leave it for like 1 or 2 hours. Then we will be back. It is, I think, now 3 hours later, and our pork has marinated. So I like using foil on my baking trays to avoid excessive mess on the tray. So that's why we are adding foil. Then, since we want to grill, we're going to add this at the top, and then we add our pork here. So we're going to grill it for some time. So whatever fat, whatever will be coming out of this will go straight to the foil, and I'll just remove the foil other than cleaning the tray. I've just remembered I didn't add salt, so I'm just adding some salt. Of late, I don't know why I'm forgetting salt. I don't know what is happening. You can see how the marination has come out well. Oh, and I put it back in the fridge, so you can do it overnight or you can do it same day. So let's put it in the oven for like 30 to 45 minutes. You can see we have the grill happening here, and we have the tray down here, so that whatever comes out of this, if it is oil or whatever, it will fall into this. Grilled pork is ready. You can see the particles of rosemary. You can see it cooked well even with the marination. And you can see what I said about the mess pouring here. Otherwise it would have poured in the oven or in the tray. So it is easier for you to remove the foil, and then you clean, because all this mess will just be thrown out. Yeah. Let's taste. How is it, Melanie? It's really nice. Even the salt, despite putting the salt late, you can feel it.
And also the texture.
It's really nice. So let's enjoy our dinner, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. The subscribe button is down there, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. And to my Premier Gang, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your continued support. It's really valued. We also look forward to your feedback as to the kind of videos and kind of recipes you want to watch on this channel. Also, let us know which restaurants you would like us to review and which kind of meals we can try out. Let's engage. Let's also get ideas from you. Yeah, so see you on our next one. Bye.